Okay, so what we were doing is we were trying to simplify the rational fractions, like you can see on the screen. Plus plus a square minus ab plus b square over a subtract b. Okay, can it take 1 minute time to complete this task? How to simplify this one? It's very easy. How to simplify this one? We have the addition of two rational fractions. And how can we do this? We have talked in a previous class as well about some methods or some ideas how to solve, how to simplify the rational functions, right? So if you can see on the screen, Ayush, can we try? Can we have 1 minute to do this one? 1 or 2
Okay, sir.
minutes? Okay, let's try.
Okay.
And tell me the answer. What's the answer? Miss Serba, did he come last time? Did he come in the previous class?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Even if you were not present on that day, you must be familiar with this type of problems, right? In grade 10. So
Uh,
what should we do here? Are you familiar with this type of problems, Miss Serpa? Can we, okay, first of all, just look at the numerator here. It's a square plus ab plus b square. Can we simplify anything over here? Can we simplify anything? Addition, subtraction, keeping in the formula, and so on. We started from the very basic things last time about this simplification of rational fractions, and today we are doing this the same content. So we cannot do anything over here. Similarly here, it's in the simplest form, and here also we can't do anything. So what we we can do here is, if we take the LCM, if we take the LCM here, what is the LCM of a plus b times a plus b and a minus b? Miss Sherpa, what is the LCM of a plus b and a minus b? Or Ayus or Rupesh, anyone? What is the LCM of a plus b and a minus b?
A square minus b square.
It's a plus b times a minus b, which will give you a plus a square minus b square. All right. Thank you. And who will multiply this number? This expression, I mean, ab plus b square lie. Who will multiply? It's
A
a plus
minus b.
b, a minus b. Thank you. Yes,
A
very
minus
good.
b.
Plus, plus, we have the remaining stuff over here, remaining expression. And here, a plus b will multiply. So people, what they do is, they usually, smart people, they keep this one in the formula. And some people, what they do is, they simply multiply here. If you multiply, if you go on multiplying this one and this one, then obviously we have three terms over here and there are two terms over here. So while multiplying these two expression, you will get six terms, and here also six terms. So it will be tedious job. So instead of doing that, if you try to keep, see the pattern over here of this expression and this expression, this does this go in any kind of formula? Do you have any formula in this form? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Do you have any formula?
sir.
Yes. What is the formula?
A cube minus b cube.
A cube minus B cube.
Very good. Thank you. Plus here also we have a cube plus b cube, and in the denominator, we just leave it as it is now for the timing, because maybe there is possibility of having similar factor over here in the numerator, which will help us to cancel out. So until we are done with the numerator, let's not multiply. Let's not keep in the formula the denominator. So we can cancel out this too. Twice a cube. And since we don't have anything in the numerator which can be cancelled out with the denominator, we can now keep in the formula and write the answer as twice a cube over a square minus b square. Right. Okay. So this is a very simple example. This is the continuation of previous work, previous task, which we have started once, one day. We have done this topic in a day only. So we didn't want to spend too much time. So let's quickly finish this one, this topic today, so that we can move on to another topic. Now you have this one, x squared minus 5x plus 6. These all are simple problems. Minus 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, when you look at these three fractions, what comes in your mind? Looking at the denominator here. Looking at the denominator here, what comes in your mind? Can we do as we did over here? Whatever we have done here, can we do in the similar manner? Or you have to think another way? Can we do the, can we do this, can we do this, can we solve this one in the similar manner? Or we have to think other way? Any idea?
We have to think
Anyone?
other way, sir.
Okay, very good. What is the another way? What is your idea then? Why do you think that we
Factorizing
have to?
factorizing the denominator.
Okay, all right. So please factorize. I hope everyone knows how to factorize the quadratic expression. So let's factorize and tell me what you get as factors of the denominator. Like, for example, let me do the first one. Let me factorize the first one, x squared. Negative sign is here in the middle. And we have to find two numbers. Here is positive plus 6, Mr. Pala. Should we find the two numbers whose sum is 5? Or should we find two numbers whose difference is 5? What do you think? How do you decide whether to find the two numbers whose addition is 5 or to find the two numbers whose difference is 5? What factor or which factor determines here whether to add the two numbers or subtract the two numbers? Anyone from that side? Anyone who can hear me there? Ayush bhai, should we
Yes, sir.
should we find the numbers which should be added, or should we find the numbers which should be subtracted to put in the middle here?
3 minus 2. 3 minus
3 minus
3 minus 2.
Three plus two.
what? Can you repeat? I didn't get it.
Plus three.
Okay, so what decides here whether to add or subtract is by this sign. If this is positive, then you have to find the two numbers whose sum is 5. And if this is minus, then you have to find the two numbers whose difference is 5. So obviously, 6 can be factorized by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. So in place of 5, we can write 2 plus 3. And in the similar manner, we can find here the middle term, x plus 3. Now, what are the numbers whose sum is 4 and product is 3? It's 3 plus 1, right? Minus 1 over x squared minus 2 plus 1 x plus 2. Okay. Now, now tell me the factors now. What are the factors of all these denominators? After simplifying, what do we get? Anyone from that side? Can you tell me the factors? The first one, let me do. If you factorize this one, you'll get negative 2x, negative 3x. That means obviously you'll get two factors, both being negative. You'll get x minus 3. Tell me, what are the factors of this expression? Second denominator. Yeah. Take 1 minute time and tell me.
X minus 3 and x minus 1.
X, for second one, you said it is x minus 3 and x minus 1, right? And the third one, x is very simple, right? X minus 2, x minus 1. You can see here by these two numbers, you can easily figure out what will be the factors. Now, what is the next step then? What should be the next step? Now, can we do anything here in the denominator? We can't do anything. So let's take all these three because it's very simple problem. We can take at once. Otherwise, we could have taken two at a time. But here it's very simple problem. So we can take all three fractions and get the LCM. Okay. Which number will multiply the first one? What should be here? What should be here? What should be here?
X minus 1.
Here, x minus
X minus
2,
2.
here, x minus 3. All right.
X
3.
minus.
Now, okay. Now simplify and tell me the answer. Final answer. Simplify this one and tell me the final answer. What you get? Denominator will be as it is. Probably. Denominator will be as it is because nothing will be cancelled out. Okay. Tell me the final answer. Anybody out there? What is the final answer? What is the simplest form of the numerator? Numerator.
Minus x plus 4.
Negative x plus 4, right? Negative x plus 4. That's good. Okay. So I hope you can do it. Now let's go to another one. Very simple one. A plus 2, 1 plus a square minus a minus 2, 1 minus a plus a square. And the last one is negative sign here, 2a square. 2a square um, divided by 1 plus a square plus a to the power 4. Okay, all right. So what is your idea? What is your idea to simplify this one? Like we have discussed in the previous class that we can take the last two fractions sometimes, and we can take the first two fractions according to the need of the question. So here, if you look at the question over here for a while and think about it, should we start from the first two or should we start from the last two? Or should we take all three at a time? Which idea would be the best?
First 2, I guess.
First two. Okay, that's great. Okay. according to our friend, let's take the first two and see what is the what is the difference of the first two fractions. It's 1 plus a square, 1 minus a plus a square. And here a plus 2 times kati?
1
A plus,
minus a plus a square.
very good. That's great. Minus, that's great. A minus 2, 1 plus a plus a square minus twice a square. Now, what we have to do is, like, if we have a plus b, a minus b, then we could always or easily instantly we could put it in the form of a square minus b square. But here it's a little bit difficult. So, um, if you can factorize this 1 plus a squared plus a to the power 4, it would be the best. So can you do you remember factorizing this type of expression in grade 9? Anyone? With the power 4, positive terms with the power 4. Do you remember? Like we used to factorize this type of expression, grade 9 mark. That's it. Or let me ask you then, what are the factors of a 1 plus a square plus a to the power 4? 1 plus a square plus a to the power 4 को factors. What are the factors? No idea. Okay. Now, if you look at these two expression, are they going in any kind of formula? Are they going in any kind of formula? Hello, students. Are they going in any kind of formula?
No, sir.
No. So what do you think that we should do it? Here on the
Multiply.
multiply. Okay. We have no choice other than multiplying it manually. Okay. Can you multiply here these two expression? Yeah, all I want to say. If we multiply these two, a times 1, a times negative a is negative a square plus a times a square is a cube, right? Plus
That's
plus 2 subtract twice a plus 2a square, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's multiply here this one also. We'll get here a plus a square plus a cube minus 2 minus twice a minus 2a square minus 2a square. And we have in the denominator 1 plus a square, 1 minus a plus a square. And if you factorize this one, rearranging the terms like this and keeping the formula of a square plus b square, you will get um, the factors as 1 minus a plus a square and 1 plus a plus a square. So that means we got the like fractions here, like denominators, like terms here in the denominator. So there's no problem if we take the LCM over here. A square. I'm not simplifying here. The first one, let it be as it is, and try to connect with the remaining stuff. So if you open the bracket with negative sign, then you'll get here negative a cube plus 2 plus twice a plus twice a squared. And at the same time, if you take the LCM over here, you'll get here you will get here in the denominator 1 plus a plus a square, 1 minus a plus a square. Now simplify this. What is the final answer? Can you factorize? Can you simplify? Take 1 minute time. Okay. Did you simplify? What did you get? Girls and boys, what did you get? Rupees by what did you get after simplifying?
4 by a minus a plus 4. 4 by 1 plus a square times
4
same
over 4 over 1
1
plus a square
square plus a to the power 4.
a to the power 4. That means simplifying this one, we get only one term left, is it? 4 is left, and multiplying this two again, you'll get back this expression, which is 1 plus a square plus a to the power 4. Thank you. Did everyone get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. This is a very easy number, right? Now, okay, we have a very simple problem like we did last time. You just prove that 1 over x minus twice y plus 1 over x plus twice y plus twice x over x square plus 4y square plus 4x cube over x to the power 4 plus 16 y to the power 4 equals to 8 x to the power 7. This number we have done similar to this number we done last time also in the previous class. So I hope you can do this one easily. Subtract 256 y to the power 8. Okay, this one is your classwork now. Take few minutes time to do this one. हुन्छ हजुर? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before you start the work, tell me, should we start from the first two or should we start from the last two?
From
Should we start
first to
first two? Why can't we do from the last two?
because there are much bigger terms.
Or or if we take the last two terms, we take the last two terms, I mean last two denominators, if we just simply take the LCM of this one and this one, then there will be nothing common, right? Neither they will go in some kind of formula or nor they will be simplified. So but if we take these two, then they are going in the formula of a square minus b square, so it would be easier to start with the first two. So let's start from the first two and then go to the third one and then go to the last one. You will get this answer. All right. Okay, take few minutes time and do this one. Prashna, Prashna Adhikari. Is this did you come in the previous classes?
No, sir, I've just joined.
No, no. I mean, is this your first day?
Yes, sir. In CVAT, yes.
Hey, you were in optional math.
Yes, sir.
Hey, that's why you seem to be familiar. I mean, so so you were in optional math class and you are joining C math class for today only
No, sir, I'm joining it since today.
from
I'll
today
be joining. Yes, from today.
from today. Okay. बुझ्नु भएन भने you can write to me after the class also, or you can just give me a missed call. I will call you back. Anyone, everyone. This is not only for you. हुन्छ हजुर.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Did you start? Are you doing? Taking from the first two. Okay. Rupesh ji, गरिदिन्छौँ हामी भाइ.
Yes, I'm doing, sir.
Okay, that's great. आयुष जी कता हुनुहुन्छ हजुर? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you also doing or not?
Yes, sir.
That's great. So take the first two fractions and then take move to the third one and then to the last one. You'll get this answer in the which is in the right hand side.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Did you get?
Done. Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush bhai, did you get the answer? Did you get the right hand side?
No, sir. I'm just
What happened? What happened? Having any problem there, or you need more time? Ayush ji, do you need more time, or you have problem?
yes, sir.
Yes. Can you do? And what about rupees? Can you do?
Yeah, I've also done, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Let's do another one. 1 over 1 minus x square plus x square x to the power 4 minus a 1 plus x to the power 4 x to the power 8 minus 1. Can we try? Rupees, can we try this number?
I'm doing, sir.
Okay. Miss Prasna then. Can we try?
Yes, sir.
Ani ISD. Can we try this number?
I'm doing, sir.
Okay. So what should we do in the beginning? First ma. What is the first thing that we should do here? First ma, के गर्नु पर्ला हामीले? Rupees, what should we do here first ma? If you look at the denominators here, then it is not in the same order. Look at here. It's 1 minus x square, but here it's x to the power 4 minus 1. So if we take negative common over here, then it would be it could be written like this. This would help us solve this problem easily, I guess. So now try. Okay. If you get the answer, tell me what is the answer you got, so that we can tally with the book here. Rupees, Prasna, Ayus. What did you get? Answer. Did you get any answer? Or you are still roaming around here and there?
I'm trying, sir.
Miss
Sir,
Prasna?
me,
Yes.
sir. I
Yes.
just took it as right hand side, same as right hand side,
What did you get?
same as right hand side.
Same as right hand side, meaning um okay. Tell me what you did after this. Hello, Ayus. What did you do?
I just got a 8x to power 7 upon 8 sorry 8x to power 7 upon x to power 8 minus 256 y square.
Okay, that's previous one. We are here. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Ayus. Okay, fine. Now we are here, Ayus. We are doing this number. Can you hear me? Ayus,
So
let's try this number as well. After this, I think you can try. LCM would be x squared minus 1, x squared plus 1, and negative 1 will multiply x squared plus 1 minus x squared. Now, after this, should we try? Yeah, I
Yes,
think you can
sir.
do it now.
Yes.
Rilapati and Prasna, what did you get? Tell me, tell us.
Fine.
Finally, finally, what did you get?
Minus 2x squared plus x4 upon x8 minus 1.
Okay, what did you get? Negative?
Minus 2x squared
Yes,
plus
plus
x4
over.
upon x8 minus 1. X to the power 8 minus 1.
Okay, you got like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what our friends have got. Rupesh ji, what did you get? Okay, we will do this one till till then. Let's wait for Rupesh and other people what they got, and let's try this number, the one who has done. A square a minus a minus c plus b square b minus c b minus a plus c square c minus a is very popular question. So let's try this one. C minus b. Judge, is it fine? Let's try this one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I think that the answer that I've got is mistake.
Let's
It's
see. Wait, Nani, wait.
it's
Let's see what our friends will get. के नानी के भन्नुहोस् त
uh,
फेरि के
minus 2x squared plus x4 minus 1 upon.
Okay, this is your answer, right? This is your answer, and let's wait the two people who are trying.
Okay, sir.
It equals to Lavanasta. What is your answer? In the denominator, we have x to the power 8 minus 1, right? And in
Yes.
the numerator, you got,
Minus 2x squared
and
plus x4
x to the power 4
minus 1.
negative 1. Okay. So
Yes.
till then, try this number. They will
Okay,
come
sir.
back with the answer. Rupees, Ayush.
Sir, I got the answer. Minus 2x to the power 6. Sir,
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Wait. Uh, Prasna, Miss Prasna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at here. Your negative common layer takes some early. Is it fine to take negative common here like this? Is it fine? The negative sign
Yes,
which I've
sir.
taken common over here, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Do you have to take negative common here also?
No, sir. We just have to take in one, either in the first one or at the second one.
Okay. What is your plus line? Should I convert it into minus like this? Or sir? Should we convert this one into minus? Did we take negative
Yes.
common over here? Common less only? Because नहीं है
No,
ना?
sir.
No.
No.
So we should not have done this one. If you haven't done this one, then what we will get here is plus x square होने वाला है ना? Plus x square होने वाला, and then that's why I was waiting for the response, what my students would say, whether we are doing correctly or not. Negative 1 plus x square and फिर ये अनुसार दिया. Are we doing correctly the stuff x to the power? Now, if we simplify this one, we can cancel out this one, this two, right? So we have here negative 1 x to the power 4 minus 1 plus x to the power 4. What are the factors of this one? X to the power 8 minus 1 go. Factors kati? Rupesh ji vanastala. What are the factors of x to the power 8 minus 1?
x to the power 4 minus 1 times x to the power 4 plus 1.
Very good. Yeah. Prasna. Now, what next? Prasna, Adhikari, Miss Adhikari, what's the next step?
I'll,
Can we like this? Can we write like this? Is it fine to write
yes.
like this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Negative 1, and which term, I mean, which factor will be multiplied here?
x4 plus 1.
plus 1 plus x to the power 4. So again, if you open the bracket, then we will get here negative x to the power 4 negative 1 plus x to the power 4 over x to the power 4 minus 1 x to the power 4 plus 1 over. How do you simplify this one?
Now x minus x to the power 4 and plus x to the power 4 cancels each other.
Okay, now, what next? Should we leave it as it is, or we can do something?
We can simplify.
Okay, yes, we can simplify. Now, should we leave the answer like this, or or what? Do we leave the answer usually in the negative form? We just try to get it into the positive form. Or how can we make it to make it positive? If I write like this, is it fine? Is the like any?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we don't like the negative comment, right? We don't like negative things. Everyone wants to listen the positive thing about ourselves. So we don't leave it in the negative form and try get it to positive form. Prasna Adhikari. So we will see
Yes,
each
sir.
other in optional math class tomorrow.
Sure, sir.
Rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush, everything fine. Okay, then good night. I should say good night. See you tomorrow.
Good
Good
night,
night,
sir.
sir.